What do you do for a living?
I'm a dialysis nurse here in the UAE. By the way, I'm Kenneth.
What motivates you to become a nurse?
To be honest, I'm just looking for a stable job. Then I graduated in 2009 in the nursing school. I found the love to take care of other people after that.
I have cards po dito.
Okay.
Ngayon, pipili po kayo. Punot lang kayo. Wala pong tamang sagot dito.
Okay.
It's all about life questions, okay? Pili po kayo ng isa. Okay? What big decision in your life felt scary at the time, but looking back was the best decision you could have made?
Maybe to go abroad because it's really a difficult decision, no? Leaving your family back in our home country. Especially right now, yung mother ko mag-isa lang sa Philippines. Then at the same time, me and my wife were just like fiancé. Getting to know that time. Kumbaga, long distance relationship at that time.
Maraming salamat po, sir, ha? Sir, tingin ko namin sa iyo yung ano. Yan, pinapili kita. Abu Dhabi or Dubai.